Hello and welcome to another video by the Bearded Tech Guy. In this video, I will be taking a look at a smart LED bulb offered by Sengled, the Element Plus. I will be doing an unboxing of the light bulbs, which will include an overview of the bulbs themselves, and I will also be going over installing the light bulb as well as joining it to a Samsung SmartThings hub. Finally, I will be going over a short demonstration of setting up some automation tasks within WebCore that will allow for the light bulb to be controlled by a door contact sensor, opening or closing. In my use case, this will be to control a closet light to turn on when the door opens and to turn off when the door closes. Taking a look at the box, you can see some features right on it. We can see 800 lumens, Zigbee compatibility. These bulbs are A19s, 60 watt equivalents, rated at only 9.8 watts per bulb. Flipping it over, we can see a little more information about what we can expect out of these bulbs. We see Zigbee Home Automation 1.2.1, 25,000 hours of runtime, 15,400 times of on-off cycles, instant full light, as well as some operating temperatures of -4 degrees to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. First impressions for the bulb, it's a lot heavier than I was expecting, which is pretty pleasing actually. I'm kind of excited for these. I'm hoping these are going to work out better than the Hue bulbs I tried to use for a different project. But these have a really nice weight to them, so that's pretty exciting. Difficult to stand up, but that's fine. So before I go ahead and get these set up in their final location, I just want to do some initial testing of them, just to get some better understanding of the specs and how they are going to perform. So what I'm going to do is first take a look at the wattage. So I have a kilowatt meter here. I'm going to use a work lamp with a, I believe 8.5 watt light bulb. Turn that on, it's pretty bright. So we can see 8 watts being pulled from the light bulb. For whatever reason you wanted to put one of these in a work lamp, they do fit. There's a little room in there still, so that's cool. Not sure why you'd want to, but you can if you need to. Ooh, that is bright. So these are rated at 9.5 watts, and I believe this is full brightness, which is very bright, and we're coming in a little under. The box actually says 9.8 watts. So that's pretty cool to see. With it off, I'm not even seeing any power draw, so that's interesting. I'll probably retest this after I set up the light bulb within my hub. I want to just curious to see what kind of power draw it takes, because they do always need power since they are a smart bulb to be able to receive on and off notifications from the hub or your smart app. So I'll be curious to see what kind of power draw these have versus something such as like a Hue light bulb. Okay, so let's go ahead and install the light bulb into my closet. For this project, what I'm going to be doing is actually swapping out this pull string light that I have here with the smart bulb, and what I have on my door is a Z-Wave smart sensor. So that way, when the door opens, the light will automatically turn on, and when the door closes, the light will turn off, and we won't have to worry about using a pull chain anymore. It'll just turn on and off. In addition to that, I'm going to set up some home automation settings, so that way the tint of the light will change depending on the time of day. So if it's early in the morning or late at night, it's going to be more of a yellow hue, whereas if it's during the day, it's going to be a brighter white hue. So let's go ahead and get set up. It is significantly brighter than the 100-watt bulb that was just installed. Okay, so let's go ahead and add it into the SmartThings app. To add a SmartThings, go to My Home, under Things, click on the plus sign on the right-hand side. You should wait a couple moments, and then the light bulb should show up. Next, you're going to click on it, give it whatever name you want. For me, I'm going to name it Bedroom Closet. And as you add it, the light bulb for this will flash a couple times that it's being added. Click on Confirm and OK. In a few moments, it will be added to SmartThings app. Within the app, you are able to turn the light bulb on and off directly from the main Things window, or you can go inside and select different controls such as brightness and light color, as well as turning the light bulb on and off within the different tiles there as well. So this is the range of 2700, and it can go all the way up to 6500, which is here. This is maximum brightness, and can go all the way down to 1%. This is a little bright for 1%. I know it's kind of hard to tell in the video. It is a nice brightness still for a closet, so if it's late at night, early in the morning, this is a good brightness setting. But I do wish the light bulb would dim a little more. Okay, now that the light bulb is added into SmartThings, let's go ahead and create our home automation settings that will allow the light bulb to be turned on and off based on the door sensor. So I'm going to do this from my phone. I use something called WebCore. First thing you'll need to do within WebCore is add your new device to available devices. WebCore does not automatically add devices when they're added. You actually have to go in and add them yourself. Once added, you can access the dashboard to create your automation script, which is called a piston in WebCore. Then, for this piston, it's going to be pretty straightforward. I'm just going to do two if statements. One for if the door opens, turning the light on, and one for if the door closes, turning the light off. So I'll do door opening first. So we have if bedroom closet door contact changes to open, then action of turning the bedroom closet light on. We will then add a new if statement. Again, using the bedroom closet door sensor with the contact. And if it changes to closed, we will then have the closet light turn off. Okay, bedroom closet door opens, turn light on. Bedroom door closes, turn light off. Once done, make sure to save. And then let's go try it out. One thing to note, even though these are Zigbee bulbs, they do not provide Zigbee repeating functionality. While it could be argued that this is good or bad, I personally feel this is a better choice, as a light bulb is going to have a higher chance of losing power compared to other Zigbee power devices, and that power loss could cause interference to your entire Zigbee mesh. So as can be seen, opening the closet door turns the light on, and closing the closet door turns the light off. Normally this is going to be rather quick. The light should be on or off before the door is either opened fully or closed fully. But depending on your wireless network, for however your light bulbs and sensors are set up for this, we're going to be using Zigbee for the light bulbs, where we are using Z-Wave for the door sensor. But as long as your mesh network is set up properly and there's enough repeaters between your actual hub and your sensor and light bulb, it should be fairly quick. That's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Positive feedback helps encourage me to keep making new content that you see here. Please also make sure to subscribe to the channel for all new videos coming out soon. Thank you very much.